everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Jasmine, aka Jazz Dash, and today we are stuffing my second paycheck of August. And today we will be stuffing $540. I finally got a new cash breakdown sheet, so your girl ain't gotta be ripping up no more paper. So we're good to go. I'ma leave who I got this from down in the description because I'm really not 100% sure what her channel name, I mean not her channel, but her Etsy shop name is. So yeah, I'm gonna leave this down in the description box and let's get started. So don't worry about that. Mom putting that somewhere it's not supposed to be. Okay, so we're gonna count it. So 100, 200, 300, and then 50, 70, 90, 410, 430, 450, 60, 70, 80, 95. So 500, 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. So our 540. And let's get started. So I do have a story for you guys. And y'all, I was heated when this happened. But I'm going to tell you guys that story when we get to that envelope. So let's start with my purple binder. And I did get my new binders and envelopes in. So when I do my cash like unstuffing or my bill exchange, I'm gonna put all those new, like my money into the new envelopes and just do it that way. So we're gonna stick with the old ones for now. So we got $5 left in gas and it's going to get 25 as normal. Spending, I did spend a little bit because I had to get a yoga mat. So we have $9 left in there. And I started my pole dancing classes, which I was supposed to do swim lessons first, but pole, man, I'll let you guys know when we get there, man. But the pole class was actually fun. I hurt my shoulder. My shoulder was sore and stuff like that afterwards, but it was really fun. So I signed up for 3 classes, so we'll see. God, I got hair all in my... Okay, we'll worry about that later. So spending is getting 30. So 10, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. What is... I was going to say, what is this? The bank tripping. So we have 10, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. So I need to go back to actually using my spending envelope because when I be at work and I need to eat something for lunch, I just be swiping my card and I'm not supposed to be doing that. But medical is getting $2. So 1, 2. And it has 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, and 43. Shoes will also be getting $2. 1, 2. So now it has 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, and 76. I really haven't had no interest in buying no new shoes lately, which is crazy. Gaming will be getting $2. Y'all see, I just know where it goes, straight in the back. So it has 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 46, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, and 52 in gaming. Subscriptions, you know, is not getting stuffed because it already has its 74 in there. Extra, you know, we do at the end. Beauty, my poor beauty envelope is just getting the bare minimum. So now it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, now let's move on to my teal binder. Okay, so Christmas is one of the main envelopes I'm focusing on now because me and my family, since we do Secret Santa, we decided to bump it up this year to 200. So I'm working on that. So Christmas will be getting $20. So now it has 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 200, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 205. I think I'm gonna try to at least get this up to 250. At least. If I do a little bit more, that'll be good, but that's like the least I'm trying to get. So car will be getting 10. So I don't know if I'm gonna actually keep stuffing. I'm gonna keep stuffing car, but if I'm gonna just give it $2 or focus on this one, I'm not too sure yet. So car has 20, 35, 45, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50, 51, and 52. That count was off, but it does it does have 52 in there. Travel. I told my friend I'm gonna come visit him for Halloween. So I don't know how much I'm gonna really get. I might just like use my credit card and then, you know, work to pay it off. I'm not sure. But it's getting 12. And then 1, 2. So now we have 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 30, 40. 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 51, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it has 158 in travel. Okay, home is getting $2. But I think I should really be focused on stuffing this because I am trying to redecorate my room. I'm coming up with the concepts and everything for it. And this little $2 ain't gonna cut it out for what I'm trying to get and what I need. So, but right now we have 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, and 98. So we have 198 in home. That's actually enough to get the computer desk that I want, which is lovely. So school, since I had to pay for my pole dancing classes on my credit card, I think I'm gonna just take that money out now. So it was 57. So I'm gonna take out 2 20s, a 10, 5, and 2 1s. And then my swim class tomorrow is actually 35. So yeah, I'll have enough. But in school we are stuffing 20. So now it has 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 5, 6, 7. So it has 107 in there. And your girl trying to lose weight. So I went outside and was jumping rope and everything. Oh, we didn't just skip on through it. So story time. Be prepared, get your popcorn, get your drinks ready. So I found me a swim lesson teacher, whatever you want to call them. And it's at a new gym, never been to before, never been to this part of town before, nothing like that. So I walk in, because the lady, mind you, was just like, just bring your swimsuit. And it's supposed to be private. So I'm thinking the pool is private. There's nobody going to be in there. It's just going to be me and her. Tell me why. I get there. The lady at the front desk is like, locker room's that way. Pool, you could get through it from the locker room. That's it. So I go in the locker room, change it to my swimsuit, get there, and I'm sitting there for 10 minutes. 10. My swim lesson was at 7 o'clock. I left at 7:10, and when I went in there and sat down, it was a lady in the pool, but she was like teaching somebody else. So I'm like, okay, that can't be my swim instructor. And plus, the pool wasn't even private. It's a gym, like, I understand that, but I felt they should have like cut it off at a certain time. Like, swim lessons are scheduled from 5 to 7, so the pool is off limits for everybody from 5 to 7. Something. And then she texts me, I think like 2 days ago, like, if you want to come in at 6:30, you could do that. Like, no. Like, when I came, y'all didn't greet me. Nobody asked me why I was there, why I was sitting there. Nothing. So why would I come back? So I'm not going back, but I did find somebody else, and we're going to see how I go. Hopefully this pool is private and it's just me and her. But yeah. So that was my little story time. I had to get that off my chest. You know, I've been holding that in for a long time. So emergency will be getting 40, because that's what it calls for. Okay. So now we have 50, 1, 52, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 50, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, and 54. So we have 454 in emergency, which is almost halfway there. And before we know it, we're going to be at that 1,000. And then we're going to be working on our 3 to 6 months. So saving, these 2 weeks would be week 3 and week 4. So that's 6 and 8, which would be 14. So 10, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I was thinking about doing like 4 envelopes, but then I was like, nah, that's too much, because next week, like, is usually my worst check, because everything come out of that check. So I was like, nah, let me not push it. So we have 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20 so far with our 50 envelope challenge, doubled, whatever I want to call it. I don't know. But all right, let's go back to our extra envelope. I always say ours because y'all are included in this. Y'all saving just like I'm saving, so it's ours. So I had a lot of money left over this check, because you know what I do at this job of mine. So extra will be getting 359. So 355, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 359 plus this money over here. Okay. That went smoother than what I thought. So let's try to put this together. All right, it's not going smooth anymore. Okay, so all together we will be adding 1, 2, 3, 50, 70, 90, 400, 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. So 429 is what we're adding. Now let's count it all together. When I get this right, I'll be right back. All right, you guys. So in total, in extra, we have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 50, 70, 90, 8, 10, 830, 850, 870. So that's 870. 80, 90, 900, Lord. 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, and 72. Hold on, did I count that right? No. Y'all, I'm over here tripping. Okay, let me get this right, because I just realized something. Because my dad gave me 200 because I had bought these shoes and he had to pay me back. So I'm like, I know I'm supposed to have like at least 1,000. So let's recount this. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's 900. 50, 70, 90, 1,010, 1,030, 1,050, 1,070, 80, 90, 1,100. So that's 1,100. 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 70, 71, and 72. So we have 1,172 in our extra. So I will be making a debt payment with all this money. Yes, look at that. Hey, 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 hey. No, let me quit. But yeah, so I'm gonna be using this money for my bill exchange, but let's go ahead and leave this in this good old envelope, looking nice and fat. I'm so proud of myself for getting $1,000 though. Like, I don't think I've have stuffed 1,000 at any point. I think the most I've had was like maybe 800 or 700. So I'm really proud of myself. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoy that story time, because these people be having me messed up. Like, I'm very honest. Like, I'm brutally honest to a point that it could be a good thing and a bad thing. Like, I'm gonna tell you how it is, and I kind of be like, well, if you don't like it, oh well. But at the same time, it's like, it's something that you need to hear. So I don't know. But yeah, that's just how I am. I can't help how I am. Like, if you see my mama, she the exact same way. So yeah, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, you guys.